The cart's back home now, I've got to put it back together. I'll try and show you how I put some of the parts back on. I'm just putting the sprocket protector on now. It helps if you put a screwdriver and hit it a few times like that, so it can go on. My dad's just going to hold the other side so it doesn't fall. Like that. Here are all the bits that I've got to put back onto the cart, and this bumper is going to be going on first. That's the back bumper on. I'm just going to put the side pod bars on now. I've put this side bar on now and that side pod on. It's just time to put this final side pod on this side. The skid plates are going on now. One's going to go here, here and here, and they help to protect the chassis. That's the skid plates on now. I've just got the footrest which needs to go on here. I've just got to put the front bumper support on now. It stops the pedals from hitting there and holds the bumper on. I've put the fuel tank on, the steering wheel, the Nasu panel and the front bumper. Now all I've got to do is put the last stub axle on. It's getting a bit late now, so I'm going to put the back tyres on, and tomorrow I'm going to line up the sprocket protector and put on the seat. We've just got the seat to put on the cart now. It's quite heavy with 9 kilos of lead on it. I've just finished putting the seat in now. As you can see, I'm sat in the cart, and that is everything back on and ready to go.